Hey friends, welcome back to the channel where we break down online business strategies to help you build the life you want. If you're stuck trying to figure out whether to start with Shopify Dropshipping or Amazon FBA, this video is for you. We're going to break down the pros, cons, hidden costs, and best fit scenarios for each. So by the end, you'll know exactly which model suits your goals, budget, and personality. Let's dive in. Section 1, Shopify Dropshipping, the DIY approach. First up, Shopify Dropshipping. Think of this as the build your own business from scratch model. You create your own store. You control your branding, pricing, and customer experience. And here's the kicker. You don't hold any inventory. When a customer places an order, your supplier ships it directly to them. That means way lower upfront costs. No renting warehouse space, no buying 500 units of a product that may or may not sell. It's perfect for beginners on a budget. Want to test a new product? Easy. Just upload it to your store and run ads. Product not performing? Delete it? No. Losses on unsold inventory, but of course there's a flip side. We'll get to that soon. Section 2, Amazon FBA, the Amazon Advantage. Now let's talk Amazon FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. This is the plug into a massive machine model. You find a product, ship it to Amazon's warehouse, and they handle the rest. Packaging, delivery, returns, even customer service. Sounds like a dream, right? The real magic here is Amazon's audience. Over 300 million customers are already shopping, and many trust Amazon more than individual brands. Plus, Amazon Prime members, they buy a lot more. With FBA, your products are eligible for Prime, which boosts your sales potential big time. But convenience comes at a cost, literally. Section 3, comparing the two, pros and cons. Shopify Dropshipping. Pros, full control over branding and customer experience. Low startup cost, super flexible and scalable. Cons, lower profit margins. You're responsible for customer service, returns, and shipping issues. Fierce competition, especially on trendy items. Amazon FBA, pros, tap into Amazon's massive trust and customer base. No dealing with shipping or returns, potential for high-volume sales. Cons, higher startup capital. You need to buy inventory upfront. Less control over branding. Amazon's algorithm can make or break your listing overnight. Basically, one gives you control and creativity. The other gives you scale and speed. Section 4, making the right decision for you. So how do you choose? Ask yourself, what's your budget? If you're low on cash but high on hustle, Shopify might be the move. Got more capital and want to go big fast? FBA could be your best bet. How much time can you commit? Dropshipping can require daily ad tweaks, customer support, etc. FBA is more front-loaded. Heavy work upfront, more passive later. What's your product niche? Trendy or custom products? Shopify shines. Everyday essentials or high-demand items. Amazon's your playground. And most importantly, what's your long-term vision? Do you want to build a brand or do you want to build revenue fast? Conclusion. All right, let's recap. Shopify Dropshipping. Low cost, high control, creative freedom, but it's all on you. Amazon FBA. High reach, big potential, less hassle, but higher costs and tighter rules. Whichever path you choose, remember, success comes from execution, not just choosing the perfect model. Pick a lane and go all in. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and turn on notifications for more e-commerce gold. Let me know in the comments, are you leaning towards Shopify or Amazon? I reply to every comment. Thanks for watching. Now go build something amazing.